Okay, spaghetti day number 2. See how these came out? I made some yesterday, in fact. And so I made a new batch today. I want to see how they came out. Put this over here. And we shall see. No piping. Thank God. I think I had a little bit of piping yesterday, but not much. All right, now I had these sitting out here for about 5 minutes or so, a little more than 5 minutes to get used to the air. And we'll see. So far, none of them. Oh, that came out nice, real nice. Wow. I made one batch the other day and it was kind of watery. This one, a little more juicy, it looks better. There's 2, not bad. Size of them, and they're not piled in there on the bottom. You can tell it looks pretty decent. 3, 4, looks good. 5. All right, not bad. One just sealed. This one just sealed. Which is a good thing. Gotta put the lid back on. Okay. Put it on loosely so it won't seal on me. Alright, and there is my 6/28/23 spaghetti. I said Sketts one time. I belong to a group, a cooking group, and I just used the term Sketts like I've heard people use for years, and people just went off and said, Sketts? What do you mean by Sketts? I never heard of that before. And I said, everybody calls it Sketty, so Sketts, short for, you know, what can you do? Ah, second one. But anywho, there is the Sketts. Let me get it closer. There, I had to take it down off the pod. So yeah, it looks real good. Kind of like, and it tastes like, it depends on how you make your recipe. It tastes like SpaghettiOs. Chef Boyardee. So, that's it. God bless you guys. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.